For the last 2 years, you've been told your salary is a liability. You've been told that AI is coming for your job and that a digital worker is infinitely cheaper. But inside the secretive boardrooms of Microsoft and Uber, something just snapped. 4 months. That is literally all it took for Uber to burn through its entire 2026 AI coding budget. A full year of money totally vaporized in a third of the time. The great AI replacement just hit a brick wall. Tech giants are quietly yanking AI access right out of their engineers' hands. Why? Because for the first time in history, human salaries are suddenly the budget option. Section 1. The Token Maxing Trap and Microsoft's Retreat. See, rolling out AI inside these giant corporations didn't actually save them money. It morphed into a gamified financial disaster. Enter token maxing. This was actual corporate slang being passed around inside Amazon and Meta. Employees started treating AI usage like a sport, totally ignoring the astronomical costs. They built leaderboards to rank workers by how much AI they consumed, treating massive resource burn like some kind of badge of honor. The sheer access here is staggering. Uber's internal AI adoption hit 84% in a single month. Their heavy users racked up bills of $2,000 a month. Uber's own CTO burned $1,200 in a single 2-hour demo. The costs were exploding so fast that Microsoft actually forced its own engineers out of Claude Code just to stop the bleeding. Section 2, the agentic scam. Why it costs so much. So what's going on here? Well, there's a fundamental difference between a cheap chatbot and a wildly expensive AI agent. A chatbot is a clean, single exchange. One prompt, a fraction of a cent. But an AI agent is a totally different beast. It chases an open-ended goal. It writes code, runs it, breaks it, and tries again. This recursive loop spikes computing power 1,000 times over for task. We call this the agentic failure loop. Top agents actually failed the industry SWE bench test over 50% of the time. The agent finds a bug, proposes a fix, runs the test, and fails. But it still bills the company. Then it repeats the loop, failing and billing. The priciest part of AI isn't the successful work, it's paying for these repeated, automated failures. Imagine a plumber charging his full hourly rate just to drop his wrench, billing you for the trip to his van, and then leaving your pipe leaking anyway. You'd call it a total scam. Deploying AI agents at scale is financially devastating because these companies are literally paying full price for that dropped wrench. Section 3, the $1 trillion house of cards. Let's zoom out for a second. By 2026, the entire AI industry is projected to generate roughly $75 billion in revenue. But big tech? They're spending $725 billion on AI capital expenditures. They're spending roughly 10 times more on AI infrastructure than they actually earn from it. It's a massive, unsustainable deficit. And it gets worse. According to PIMCO data, big tech is betting 94% of all operating cash flow on one terrifying assumption: that future AI demand will magically justify the cost. 94% goes straight into infrastructure, leaving just 6% for everything else. Goldman Sachs just issued a brutal warning about all this. Quote, "Too much spend, too little benefit. You simply cannot build a machine that loses money on every single job. It's a guaranteed path to a complete margin collapse." These giants are spending hundreds of billions to capture demand that is actively destroying their own profits. Section 4, the human victory, the rise of the verification specialist. But here's the crazy part. Inside this financial miscalculation lies a huge opportunity for you. It all comes down to the cost of output. An AI agent might double its output, but its token build jumps exponentially. It completely breaks the spreadsheet. A human worker? They double their output as they gain skill, but their base cost stays flat. A human runs on a sandwich and a good night's sleep. Which brings us to the most valuable new job in corporate America, the verification specialist. This is the human in the loop who catches an AI agent before it slips into an expensive failure loop and bankrupts a project. You are now the only thing standing between the company and a bleeding budget. The dream of cheap AI replacing everyone is dead. The bubble popped, and the corporate spreadsheet saved your job. The era of the digital worker has stalled, replaced by a desperate need for humans who can stop machines from bankrupting the builders. If you want my exact breakdown on how to position yourself as the ultimate verification specialist and secure your career, check the link in the pinned comment.